Hey guys, welcome back. MJ Golfer 2 here. And we got the giggly one helping us. We got Brecken and Acacia. And we're going to put together a set for you. And make sure when you get a chance to watch Santa Saves Elf. Santa Saves Our Elf. We have a lot of sets that we show. Some are in the background there. And we just want some comments just so we can decide what to build next. We're going to do this junior set here. And then we'll probably do a Ghostbuster set, but we'd like to do what you guys would like to see. So go ahead, Brecken. Introduce the set. Introduce your sister.
This is a junior set. My little sister's gonna help build it. It's a junior set, and it's ages 4 to 7, and the pieces are 94. What is it called?
Elsa and Anna set!
Yeah. Is it a playground or a castle?
It's a castle!
Okay, open the other side up.
Okay.
Uh-oh. We have some loose pieces.
I get
Okay.
Anna.
Wait, no, we aren't ready yet. Yet, there's Anna. You're right, that is Anna, right?
I want to open it right now.
Okay, first, we're gonna, okay. So, we need bake 1. This is bake 1, okay?
Yep. And this is
Bake
bake
2. 2.
Bake 2.
Yeah. We're gonna do that one last, okay?
But I want to build
Casey.
Anna.
Yeah, you get to build
Can
Anna.
I build
Yeah.
Elsa first?
Okay, we're done. And this is the final thing. We have Elsa and Anna. And then we have the playground.
A castle.
This spins, that's pretty cool. One thing I really like about this that this does, it shoots these snowballs.
I'm going to get that soon.
And I just hit Elsa down. Not doing it. Okay. And then now these skis are for Elsa.
And the other ones are for Anna.
Yep. And then these skates are for Anna.
Anna.
And there's a slide. They would climb up it. And they would go, woo! And then there's a little pet polar bear. Elsa's skiing down the slide. And there's a treasure chest, and it actually has little gems in it.
Yep.
Little gems.
Elsa's sitting like this. Look at that.
Yeah. And then there's a little bench, and then there's a little coffee table thing, and then there's this thing that spins. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it.
That is. No, I want to be Anna.
Okay, I'll be Elsa then. Where's her skis?
But we can't skate yet. We can't skate yet.
Why not?
Because.
I'm gonna go down the slide.
I'm too cold, Elsa. I can't do
No,
it.
you aren't. I want to launch a snowball. I'm gonna launch a snowball. Ready?
Well,
Set.
I'm gonna do it.
I want to launch another snowball.
There's another one.
Yay!
I don't know where the other one goes.
I'm gonna shoot one more and then I'm gonna be done and go down the slide again.
I'm gonna go down the slide. No, wait! Elsa, I found a special
Oh, you
box.
did? Whoa! There's so many gems in
No,
there.
there's only two.
Yeah, let me through. I'm gonna go up the slide.
Okay.
Ready? I'm gonna go down.
Hey, I want to go down. Your skate. Hey! We're having so much fun at our castle.
Yay! Woo.
I'm gonna turn it so
I wanna do this one more time.
then go up the slide, Elsa.
Oh no, I failed. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Then go up the
Yay.
slide.
I'm gonna go spin this. No, stop.
Elsa, you can't come with your skates on. You can't come inside with your skates on.
What you talking about?
I'm going outside.
I'm going on the slide.
I'm putting my skates on.
Yay! I'm gonna have some juice.
Coffee.
Juice.
Okay, let's juice then.
This is so good. You should try some, Anna.
Well, I'm putting my skates on.
Okay, I'm gonna come outside.
You should try this, Elsa.
I'm putting on my own skis.
Oh no, my one fell off.
I'm gonna get our pet polar bear.
Can I see it?
Oh no, he fell off. He's going to get back on.
Can I see it? No, don't go in there.
I'm gonna go back and ride the slide.
Hey, you found your polar bear.
Oh no!
Your polar bear is crying. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby polar
I'm
bear.
gonna climb this.
Elsa, your baby polar bear got hurt.
It's both bars.
Oh, it's both ours. Okay.
I'm going down the slide. Whee! Let's go!
I'm
Yay!
gonna go down the slide next.
I'm going back outside so I could ride the sled.
He goes really fast. Hey, I'm gonna go outside.
Oh
and
no, I
play.
touched the top of the tower.
I got you. I got you, sis.
I'm going to play Peter's going down the slide. Yay!
I need my shoes.
Yay! He's running off because of that. You better go and catch him. I'm running off. You better go and catch him.
I will. Come back! No.
Oh, that's okay. That's fine.
Our castle was broke again.
Oh, it's not. Oh, I'm running away. You better catch me. Oh, no, I got caught. Oh.
All right, guys. I think Ashley and Brecken have probably, or Acacia and Brecken. Ashley's our other older sister, but Acacia and Brecken here will play a little longer. And so we're gonna let you go. Thanks for watching the video. And once again, check out Santa Saves the Elf so that you can let us know what else you want to have us build. And if you like this video, subscribe, like it, and share it. And once again, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.